Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTON. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context. But a very, very impressive bounce today. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down here, but as the rest of the day unfolded, the price was able to battle back very nicely. Now, yeah, there's still work to be done in order to get up there to the previous highs. But my point here is, relatively speaking, from where it was at its lows to where the price was able to battle back to, good solid move. But that does bring about the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area down here at 130. Why is 130 important? And I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to that level, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would be putting the price right back inside of that area that it just broke out from. And, said another way, that would imply that the price made a great bounce, then all of a sudden the price went right back to where it was. Not exactly a sign of true power, genuine strength, right? For a price to go back to where it was. Now, on the flip side, to be fair, no price can just go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then begins to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, 130 being that key level of progress. In terms of levels of resistance, first key level of resistance to watch moving forward now, going to be right up here at the 134.15 mark. And then after 134, if that can be broken, next key level up there right around 137.35. So overall, a nice bounce today from those lows. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.